This is the review for Unit 11. It's quite lengthy, and your test is quite lengthy also. It's 33 questions. You will have a time limit, so make sure that you are fluid and pay attention to your time, as you only have 50 minutes to complete 33 questions. First part is simplify. We're going to distribute that negative. I'm going to have 4x squared minus 2x plus 6. As I distribute the negative, I'm going to put it underneath the ones that they match. So this is an x squared, this is a plus 11x, and this is a negative 6. Those go away. That's 9x, it's a positive, and that's 5x squared. Adding, I'm going to pull this one over, and I'm going to put x squared here, plus 2x here, minus 3. These cancel out. 4x squared minus 11. Again, this is distributing a negative. I'm going to pull them under if they need to go under, and if they don't, I'm going to put them to the side. And so 3x squared is going to come out here because it doesn't match anybody, and negative y squared becomes positive xy squared. And so it is going to be negative 3x squared plus 2x squared y. This becomes minus 2xy squared minus y squared. And that would be your answer. Simplify the following signs, positive numbers, 10, 2 here, 3 here becomes 5y cubed. Subtract, this is going to be multiply and then subtract. So this is 6x to the 8th minus 8x to the 8th. They have the same last name, so negative 2x to the 8th. This is distributing here all the way across, paying attention to signs. Negative 6a to the 5th. Negative 6a cubed times negative 2a is positive 12a to the 4th. And negative 6a cubed times 1, anything times 1 is itself. This is distributing across each of them. This is negative 2x cubed y. There's 1x, there's 2 more. Negative times a negative is a positive. 6x squared, y squared. Negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2xy cubed. There's 1 here and there's 2 there. X minus 5y squared means I do it again. Negative times a negative is a positive, 25y squared. Negative 5y times x is negative 5xy. Placeholder 0. Negative 5xy and x squared. So my answer is x squared minus 10xy plus 25y squared. That's when you go down and add them. I'm going to put my 5x plus 1 here. 1 times 3 is positive 3. 1 times 2x is 2x, plus placeholder 0. 5x times 3 is positive 15x, and this is 10x squared. Plus 3 plus 17x, 10x squared. Multiplying x plus 1 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 1 times 2x is 2x. Placeholder 0. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. X times 2x is 2x squared. Negative 3. Adding these is negative x, and that is 2x squared. This is a plus b. B times 3b squared is 3b cubed. B times negative ab is negative ab squared. B times 2a squared is 2a squared b. A times 3b squared is positive 3ab squared. Notice I put it under the match. A times negative ab is negative a squared b. A times 2a squared is 2a cubed. Therefore, it is 2a cubed plus a squared b plus 2ab squared plus 3b cubed. Make sure on your test you are going at a rather quickly, but very attention to detail. That is page 1 of the review for chapter 11.